Have you ever thought about how a loan can be the key to transforming your finances and creating new business opportunities? While taking out a loan might seem risky, when used strategically, it can be a powerful tool for making money. In this video, I'm going to share 7 effective strategies to make money with a loan in 2024. Stay until the end to discover how each of these ideas can be applied to maximize your profits and minimize risks. It's interesting to hear all of them, to know which is the most suitable for you. Okay, let's start. Strategy 1, real estate investment. One of the most traditional and effective ways to use a loan to make money is to invest in real estate. Buying rental properties can provide a steady source of passive income and capital appreciation over time. General summary: by taking out a mortgage loan to buy a property, you can rent it out to tenants. The rental income can cover the loan payments, taxes, maintenance, and still leave a profit. Additionally, the property's appreciation over time can result in a significant return on the initial investment. Steps to success. 1. Choose the right property. Look for properties in high-demand rental areas with good schools and adequate infrastructure. Conduct a market analysis to determine potential appreciation. 2. Smart financing. Negotiate low interest rates and favorable financing terms. A good credit score can help secure better terms. 3. Property management. Keep the property well maintained and respond quickly to repairs and tenant requests to ensure tenant satisfaction and retention. Example: suppose you buy a house for $300,000 with a $60,000 down payment and finance the rest. The monthly rent of $20,500 covers the $1,500 loan payment, taxes, and maintenance, leaving a profit of $500 per month. In 10 years, the property's value could increase to $1,000, providing a $700,000 capital gain, which could mean a comfortable retirement living off interest and passive income. Strategy 2, business expansion. If you already own a business, a loan can be used to expand your operations, increase production capacity, or open new locations. Expansion can significantly boost your revenue and profitability. General summary: using a loan to expand your business allows you to seize growth opportunities without depleting your capital reserves. The key is to ensure that the expansion generates enough revenue to cover the new expenses and repay the loan. Steps to success. 1. Solid expansion plan. Develop a detailed plan that includes revenue projections, expenses, and return on investment. 2. Financing choice. Consider loan options with low interest rates and favorable repayment terms, such as SBA, Small Business Administration, loans in the U.S. 3. Efficient implementation. Use the loan capital to purchase equipment, hire staff, marketing, and other operational needs. Example A. Bakery owner decides to use a $100,000 loan to open a second location. The new site increases the bakery's total revenue by $15,000 per month. After deducting additional costs and loan payments, the net monthly profit increases by $5,000, allowing the loan to be paid off quickly and generating ongoing profit. Strategy 3, bulk inventory. Purchase, retail, and e-commerce businesses can use loans to buy large quantities of inventory at reduced prices. Buying in bulk can increase profit margins and ensure you always have products available for your customers. General summary: purchasing bulk inventory with a loan allows you to take advantage of significant discounts and avoid stock shortages. This can improve operational efficiency and increase customer satisfaction. Steps to success. 1. Demand analysis. Ensure there is sufficient demand for the products you are buying in bulk. 2. Price negotiation. Negotiate with suppliers to get the best prices and payment terms. 3. Inventory management. Implement an efficient inventory management system to monitor stock levels and avoid excess products. Example: an online electronics store uses a $50,000 loan to buy 500 units of a popular product at $100 each, when the normal selling price is $150. The $50 profit margin per unit, minus storage costs and loan repayment, results in a significant additional net profit. Strategy 4. Product development. Tech and manufacturing companies can use loans to finance the development of new products. Innovating and launching new products can differentiate your company from the competition and open new revenue streams. General summary: developing new products can be expensive but also highly profitable. Using a loan to finance research and development, R&D, allows your company to bring innovations to market faster. Steps to success. 1. Market research. Conduct thorough research to ensure there's demand for the new product. 2. R&D planning. Create a detailed schedule and budget for product development. 3. Product launch. Plan an effective marketing strategy to promote the new product and maximize sales. Example: a software company uses a $200,000 loan to develop a new artificial intelligence application. After 6 months of development, the new application is launched and quickly gains popularity, generating subscription revenue that covers the loan cost and significantly increases company profits. Strategy 5. Franchises. Opening a franchise can be a lucrative way to use a loan to make money. Franchises offer a proven business model and ongoing support, which reduces the risk compared to starting a business from scratch. General summary: franchises are licensed businesses that allow you to operate under the brand and systems of an established company. A loan can be used to cover the initial costs of acquiring the franchise, such as franchise fees, construction, equipment, and inventory. Steps to success. 1. Franchise research. Choose a franchise with a proven track record of success and strong franchisee support. 2. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan that includes financial projections and marketing strategies. 3. Training and support. Take full advantage of the training and support offered by the franchise to ensure you are well prepared to operate the business. Example: an entrepreneur uses a $150,000 loan to open a franchise of a popular coffee chain. The franchise support includes training, marketing, and operations, which helps the new location quickly become profitable. The positive cash flow covers the loan expenses and generates additional profit. Strategy 6. Purchasing production equipment. Manufacturing and construction industries can use loans to buy modern and efficient production equipment. New equipment can increase productivity, reduce operational costs, and improve product quality. General summary: investing in production equipment with a loan allows your company to remain competitive and meet growing demand. Modern equipment can also improve workplace safety and energy efficiency, resulting in additional savings. Steps to success. 1. Needs assessment. Identify which equipment is needed to increase production and improve efficiency. 2. Favorable financing. Negotiate favorable loan terms that allow for comfortable repayment within the company's cash flow. 3. Employee training. Ensure employees are properly trained to operate the new equipment. Example: a furniture factory uses a $100,000 loan to buy state-of-the-art CNC machines. The new machines increase production capacity by 50%, reduce material waste, and improve product precision. The additional efficiency allows the company to take on more orders and increase profits. Strategy 7. Expanding into e-commerce. For traditional retail businesses, expanding into e-commerce can open new markets and increase sales. Using a loan to develop an e-commerce platform and digital marketing can be a profitable strategy. General summary: e-commerce allows your business to reach customers worldwide. 247. A loan can be used to create a professional e-commerce website, invest in digital marketing, and manage online order logistics. Steps to success. 1. Website development. Invest in a robust and user-friendly e-commerce platform with secure payment options and a good shopping experience. 2. Digital marketing. Utilize digital marketing strategies such as SEO, paid advertising, email marketing, and social media to drive traffic to your site. 3. Logistics and customer service. Establish an efficient logistics and customer service system to ensure fast deliveries and a positive customer experience. Example: A clothing store uses a $50,000 loan To launch an e-commerce website and implement a digital marketing campaign. Online sales quickly grow, adding $20,000 in monthly revenue. The additional profit covers the loan costs and provides a significant cash flow for the company. With careful planning and strategic execution, a loan can be a powerful tool to transform your finances and create new business opportunities. From investing in real estate to expanding into e-commerce, these 7 strategies offer proven paths to making money with a loan in 2024. Do your research, plan carefully, and start implementing these ideas. Leave your comment below on what you thought of these tips, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips on finance and business. Watch the video that's appearing on your screen now. See you next time. See you there.